All right, this is Nova 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Bafana Bafana, not Namibia, not. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Game at Kajen, I think I have convert the chance because we need gods in the data. I get say like Nagalisa scheme says Sadalin so can I never say Vela deeply as I did for AFCON because when I'll tell them to like AFCON.
Yeah, but I get no give friendly, and then when you go to test the player don't you think or like say are the testing the shop?
Quite few. How can Shabama, Grandma Gaman, Kena, mo midfielding,
Nazala shop, yeah.
Kena Nazala Sharp, Bessie, Ngara player at the active had it in a little first debut, Takashabo, William Moody, Margaret, when time goes on, but that up, sharp.
You need to press down.
Yes.
Don't you think or like I get a Nasamu Restiliana for game at Tuesday?
Yeah, I think so. Mara, the direction of Pesita was really bad. Because after the game, he threw the t-shirt down. Oh, yeah, man, he was feeling bad that he didn't get a chance to play. You see, yeah. We need a win. It doesn't matter it's a win, it's a friendly or it's a league or whatever it is. We need a win, man. We came here, we bought tickets. Hey, these tickets are very expensive, man. For a year to watch a draw. Yeah.
No, it was bad. But then when your man of the match, who was your man of the match?
I'm a big fan of Rowan Williams. So if he didn't play, everyone get a chance to be man of the match.
Which is who?
Which is the one who got a man of the match. Kanagimang. Yeah, he deserved it. Yeah, he was playing nice. But Saleng, he could have taken it. Because, he's a skillful player. Yeah, he's a -1 player, you know. Yeah.
No, thank you very much. Maybe on Tuesday you'll win.
Okay, Tuesday we here, same time. Tanko Itini.